Yes, you are getting your technical analysis altcoin update from me, the crypto carrot. And you hit that bell notification, most importantly. Smash that like button to push us through the YouTube algorithm, and hit that beautiful subscribe button to get all the latest breaking news, coin updates, and blockchain technology news as we head into the start. Yes, you can see my eyeballs getting bigger. The start of the 2024 cashless society. Hit that bell notification, sidestep, and audible to profitability. Peace and love. Right? And then if we look at an altcoin update, you can see Shiba Coin is still sitting in the same relative area just below the top part of this orange support zone. And if you can't get above this orange support zone, you're going to come back like we've been talking about at a double bottom at the bottom part of this orange support zone at about 0.0000739. If you can break above this and hold it as support, you could try to make a run all the way up into that range, which is 0.00002275. So current major resistance is right here at point a bunch of zeros, 1190, and then major support is 739 down here at the bottom part of this orange support zone. Then if we take a look at the Dogecoin in this altcoin update, right, and Chances Go Crypto Investing with your altcoin update, you can see if we zoom out in a 4-hour time frame, the Doge, for the Dogecoin millionaire out there, you can see the Doge with our industry exclusive drawing tool is fairly simple. Where this red arrow is on this 0.0492896, that is your major double bottom area. And you're either A, coming down here and you're going to retest to try to hold to form a much bigger uptrend, or you would fall down to the blue fib circle underneath at about 0.033 on your way right to deeper lows, or you would come down and hold that and then try to make another run back up here to the 0.0727, because if you could break the 0.7027, your next major upper resistance is over here at 14.5 cents, right? So that's what we're watching out for right now, to see, do you come down and get supported by the 0.049, right? Or do you just get some buyers come in now and you try to breach the 0.07 or the 7.25 cents before you come down and try to make a run at that 14 cents? Or is the bearish action too much and we continue to get forced down? But in the short term, 7.25 cents, major upper resistance, and then 4.9 cents, or just below 5 cents, is your major underneath support that you need to be paying attention to in the short term. And as we continue with this altcoin update, you can see dappt. If we come in here and zoom in on this, dappt has been having these little miniature pumps just above the red support box. You can see we had this pump. Whoops. We had this pump right there where they're drawing to, and then we got rejected. Then we had another pump on the 100-day moving average, and just beautifully right there touching the red volume indicator as support, and it did as such and got pumped. Then it quickly got rejected, came back down beautifully to the 50-day moving average in red, got a pump, got quickly rejected again, and now we're sitting on the 50-day moving average. Now you could maybe get a little bit of a pump up, but what's more likely to happen now is you come retest the lower part of this red support zone, which is the volume indicator, because that's why we have it marked in red, and you come down and hit the 200, maybe dance in here real quick, and that could be another time where it reloads for a pump. That's option one. Or option two is it would come back down in here and retest that major area of support at 0.0004939. As we know, for several weeks, the way this worked and the way we were playing this was when it came down into the circle area along that 0.0004939, that was your buy zone. And then you rode it up into this red resistance box, which is the volume indicator. And as we know, when you come up to it from below, it likes to get rejected like it did right there, right? See that it got rejected right there. Then it got supported, rejected, supported, rejected from the red support zone, rejected in the red support zone, rejected, rejected, rejected. Finally tried to flip it as support right there on that power pump, and now you can see it's been consolidating to the upside and been holding it as support. So that's what you got to watch out for there in dappt to see if it reverses back to the mean of the trend. And then REVAIN coin, you can see it came all the way down like we were talking. If it slipped, if it slipped this critical area up here on this support level when we got up there, that we would come down and double bottom, and that would be something you would have to hold, or you would be in price discovery, and you don't want to be in price discovery because price discovery means you could go down very quick, very fast before there's buyers, because there's not an established area of buyers. And you can see it did come through there, but we got supported right there on that double bottom that we talked about initially, got rejected when we were trying to come back through. What used to be support was now acting as resistance, and now we're trying to build a little of a base and try to break back up. And in that case, your upper resistance would be all the way up here in a descending fashion at about the 0.00121274. Your major support is this 0.00075654. Right? Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and love.